If you're over 60, I want you to imagine a simple, beautiful morning. The sun is just beginning to rise, soft golden light fills your room, and as you slowly sit up and swing your legs over the side of the bed, something amazing happens. You stand up, not slowly and unsteadily like you might have a year ago, but firmly, confidently. Your feet feel strong against the ground, your legs don't tremble, and there's no feeling of heaviness weighing you down. You take a few steps, and your body moves with ease. It feels natural. You head outside for your morning walk, and as you walk down the street, you notice how steady and powerful your stride feels. There's a spark of energy in every step, a sense of control that reminds you of how you felt decades ago. This isn't a dream. This is a possibility that can become real for many seniors. And surprisingly, one of the easiest ways to start this transformation begins not with a gym membership or expensive supplements, but with something as simple and familiar as a warm cup of tea. Most people think of tea as just a drink, a calming ritual to unwind, a way to warm up on a cold morning, or a gentle companion in the evening. But what most people don't realize is that certain teas contain powerful natural compounds that can help the body fight some of the biggest challenges that come with aging: muscle loss, reduced circulation, and chronic inflammation. After the age of 60, our bodies begin to undergo changes that we can't ignore. One of the most significant is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. Scientists estimate that adults lose about 3 to 8% of their muscle mass with each passing decade after 60. This may sound small, but over time it adds up to real changes you can feel. Tasks that were once effortless, getting out of a chair, walking a few blocks, climbing a short staircase, start to require more effort. Some people begin to feel unsteady, tired more quickly, or even avoid physical activity altogether because their bodies don't respond the way they used to. This decline in muscle mass doesn't just affect strength. It impacts balance, mobility, confidence, and independence. It can make everyday life feel more limited. But here's the encouraging truth. Muscle loss is not an unstoppable process. It's not a one-way street. With the right nutrition, gentle movement, and a few smart habits, it's possible to slow, stop, and even reverse some of the most enjoyable ways to begin supporting your muscles is by incorporating 3 specific types of tea into your daily routine. These aren't trendy miracle drinks. They're backed by both traditional wisdom and modern research. Each of these teas supports your body in a unique way by fighting inflammation, improving blood flow, and stimulating muscle maintenance and repair. Before we get to the teas, it's important to understand why these issues happen in the first place. When we're younger, our bodies are primed to build and repair muscle efficiently. Every time we eat protein, it acts like flipping a switch, telling our muscles to grow stronger. But as we age, that switch becomes more resistant. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. The same protein that once built muscle easily doesn't trigger as strong a response anymore. At the same time, chronic low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging, sets in. You might not feel it as pain, but this silent internal inflammation slowly damages tissues, including muscle fibers, making them weaker and slower to recover. Add to this reduced blood circulation, which is common with aging, and you have the perfect storm. Fewer nutrients reach your muscles, repair is slower, and inflammation is constantly at work. Now here's where tea comes in. Certain teas contain natural bioactive compounds, like catechins, polyphenols, and antioxidants that directly address these problems. They can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and even help muscles respond more effectively to nutrients. And drinking tea is simple. It's enjoyable, it's affordable. There's no equipment needed, no complicated instructions, and no side effects when consumed sensibly. Over time, these small daily choices add up to real tangible benefits. The first tea is green tea, the protector of your muscles. Green tea has been studied for decades for its incredible health benefits, but many people don't realize how powerful it can be for muscle preservation, especially in seniors. Green tea contains catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which has anti-inflammatory properties and improves blood vessel function. By reducing internal inflammation and improving circulation, green tea helps create an environment in the body where muscles can thrive. Some studies have also shown that green tea can help reduce the breakdown of muscle proteins, meaning it slows down the rate at which muscle tissue is lost over time. For seniors, this is a game changer. Just 1 or 2 cups of green tea per day can begin to make a difference, supporting your muscles quietly but powerfully. The second tea is ginger tea, the circulation booster. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. It contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have potent anti-inflammatory and circulation-enhancing effects. As we age, good circulation becomes even more important. Your muscles need oxygen and nutrients to repair and function well, and improved blood flow helps deliver these efficiently. Ginger tea acts like a natural stimulator for your circulatory system, helping more blood and more nutrients reach your muscles. This leads to better repair, less stiffness, and improved mobility. Ginger also has a warming effect, which can ease joint pain and stiffness, 2 common issues that often discourage seniors from staying active. A cup of ginger tea in the morning or evening can provide comfort, support movement, and gently energize the body. The third tea is Rooibos tea, the quiet powerhouse. Rooibos is a caffeine-free tea from South Africa that's rich in unique antioxidants like aspartame. While it's less famous than green or ginger tea, Rooibos has remarkable health benefits, particularly for older adults. Its antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 key factors that accelerate muscle decline. Rooibos also supports healthy blood sugar regulation and contains important minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all of which are essential for muscle contraction and strength. Because it's naturally caffeine-free, Rooibos can be enjoyed in the afternoon or evening without disturbing sleep. Think of it as a nourishing, restorative tea that supports your body quietly in the background. When you combine these 3 teas, green, ginger, and Rooibos, you create a simple daily ritual that supports your muscles from multiple angles. Green tea reduces inflammation and protects muscle tissue. Ginger tea boosts circulation and mobility. Rooibos tea nourishes, balances, and strengthens. Over time, these effects build on each other. Your muscles receive better signals, improved blood flow, and essential nutrients. You begin to feel changes in your body: steadier steps, less fatigue, more energy, improved confidence. Of course, drinking tea alone isn't a magic solution. But when combined with a balanced diet that includes good quality protein, regular gentle exercise like walking, stretching, or light resistance work, and adequate rest, it becomes a powerful tool in your daily health routine. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. You can start with 1 cup of tea a day, perhaps green tea in the morning. Add ginger tea in the afternoon for a warming boost. End your day with a soothing cup of Rooibos as you relax. These are small steps, but they set in motion positive changes that can improve the quality of your life significantly over time. I've seen this transformation happen. Seniors who once thought weakness and fatigue were simply part of aging have experienced real improvements by making small, consistent changes like this. Their walks became longer, their balance improved, their confidence returned. Many even reported sleeping better and feeling more energetic throughout the day. And the best part? These changes didn't come from expensive pills or difficult workouts, but from habits that were easy to maintain and enjoyable to practice. Strength and vitality aren't reserved only for the young. Your body has incredible resilience, even after 60. The key is to support it with the right habits consistently. Imagine yourself months from now, walking confidently, feeling steady, enjoying your independence. Imagine the pride and joy of being able to do the things you love without hesitation. That future is within reach, and it can start with something as humble as a daily cup of tea. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for your teacup, remember this isn't just a drink. It's a step toward reclaiming your strength. It's a commitment to your future self. It's a quiet but powerful act of self-care that your body will thank you for. Every sip counts. Every choice matters. Where are you watching this from? And what time is it right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this message inspired you, subscribe to the Seniors Hub. Press the bell icon so you never miss a powerful tip like this video, and share your best idea for what we should cover next. Let's build a community of strong, vibrant seniors, proving that age is not a limitation. It's simply the beginning of a new, wiser, stronger chapter.